Roaltree Beach. Winds are turned off, but the weather's got nice. Check it out. Alright, first major stop of the trip, Roaltree Beach, and I think we've done alright. Check us out. Beach camp, blue waters, awesome sunsets, so good. A few people, it's a long weekend, March. I think it's show day in South Australia, Labor Day everywhere else. But yeah, it's really good. A bit of wind about, but because we've got the big dunes behind us, we get a good amount of sheltering from the dunes, so really good. So I think we're going to get a bit of snorkeling in, hopefully catch a fish, and lots of wicked sunsets. Happy days. Gonna get your snorkel on?
I'm gonna try. There's a big weed patch out there that I'm gonna go have a go at.
Morning wake up at Roaltree Beach. Boys having their cereal. We get all the energy in. Another big day of beaching. Check out the view. Just perfect. See if I can catch another squid today, huh? So I've paddled out. Caught a squid doing this yesterday. Oh, it's all a fluster. I had no idea what to do. Now I've got all my shit together. I'll probably never catch another one again. But the only way you're never going to catch nothing is you never try. So here we are on the SUP. Squid fishing on a SUP. Hey! Big fucking mother squid! Yeah! Something for squid! Is it? You wait there, Buster. That's a cuttlefish. Nope, we got a cuttlefish. Roaltree Beach. Check it out, like the water is just perfect every morning. Sunsets every night. Oh, we've had a blast. Boys have just been out supping with dolphins. There's been a couple of dolphins just out off the bay here. Oh, the boys have just been following them around for the last half an hour. Get any footage of that, but they're just loving it. Two SUP experts. Check it out. It's just so calm. Just got so lucky with the weather. every night, perfect sunset every morning, just glassy. It's the two lads. Right, stunning morning. Let's go for a sup. That's our last night at Roaltree. Probably going to shift up tomorrow around Point Turt or somewhere up around there, still on the Yorke, but it's been a wicked time. So far we've been chasing dolphins, catching squid, caught a cuttlefish, although I thought it was a squid for half of it. That was funny. Heaps of time on the SUP and a little bit of snorkeling, and the water just gets glassy every night. We've just got the best bit of weather you could ever hope for. So peace out, had a ripper time, happy days. Set up at Flatheadies beach. There's the car in the background, got their awning out. Everyone's just having a bit of a morning tea. Got the fridge chockers for some to have lunch down here. This place is unreal. It's just almost pristine. The tide goes out for ages, so we're sort of probably going to get swamped by the water at some point. But it's just pristine. Check it out. Like, you can barely even tell. Sand, transitions to water, transition to sky. It's pretty sheltered from the breeze too, so where it's pretty breezy down at Burnett Beach, and here it's almost crystal clear and calm, so we'll hang out here for a bit. Alright, now this is a beach, hey boys. How clear is the water?
Clear!
So clear. It's just fish swimming around before. It was like whiting, not that I can ever catch any. They're just in the water.
There's a lot of fish around here. Hello. Bye bye. Kick.
Try this trip, we put this awning on and the fridge in the back, and it's paying some dividends now. Now we've got the lunch being prepped, kids in the shade.
Got juice.
So we just pulled into Burners Beach Camp just outside of Point Turton. Pretty bumpy road in. I thought the Snowy was going to struggle a bit. We got one troublesome door that likes to fall off, a trip to Woods Point. Pushed the limits on that one a bit. Seems coming off, but we'll figure it out. Couple new hinges I think will do the trick. Need to wait till we get near a Bunnings for that one though. But check this out. I'm going to set this up for a sunset. Bit of a sand dune behind the camp at Burners, and it's just, the view is just great. You see the whole bay out in front of you. Check it out. There's Snowy down ahead of us. Sarah and Dor just sitting there wrapping up for the night, and there's the bay just straight out ahead of us. Little rock points. We're going to try and go and have a go for some squid off that. Right around